Hello everyone. Today we will make an application called Age Converter. We will rename the project as Age Converter. Then we will go to Design and then Theme. We will select any theme only one time. Then we will go to Label and rename the text. Rename the label as Enter your age in years. We can adjust the size also. Now we will adjust size. Now we will go to text input and take it to the below the label. Then we will take one more label and then we will rename it as you are. Then we will adjust the size. Now we are adjusting the size. Then we will take one more label as ours. Then we will rename it and rename as ours old. We can adjust the size also, and then we will do text input. Then we will take button and rename as calculate. Then we will go to code and take on event button and on ID we will select button 1. Next we will select set text and ID is label 1. Then we will go to math and take the multiply option 2 times, and then we will once more go to UI controls and take get number and rename it as text input 1. Now we will rename the number as 365 and 24. Now we will go to run and then we will enter our age in years 365. Then we will write here our age 24, and then we will calculate. Here is the answer on the top. That's it. Here we had complete the project. Thank you.